Okay, welcome back to this second part of the training, which is what? Making your first five sales. As an affiliate, as a new affiliate who just joined the platform, their first concern is, oh, how can I start making sales? How can I start getting commission? That's their what? That's their main goals. So, and that is why this course is there to put them to on how they can generate their first five sales or how they can make their first five sales within 48 hours or within 24 hours. Depends on when you implement. So, getting your first five sales as an affiliate, it's something very simple once you can follow the process. But firstly, as an affiliate, you have to ask yourself this: what are you promoting? As an affiliate, what are you promoting? No, I can give you some five niche where most affiliate marketers do what? Do gain their income. The first one is the wealth. That's the wealth niche. The second one is the health niche. And the third one, relationship, followed by beauty. And the fifth one is the travel niche. So most affiliate marketers focus more on what? On the wealth niche, because wealth is what is the thing that control all other niche. Because if you don't have money, how will you even care about your health or your relationship or your beauty or your travel? All the other niche are powered by wealth. It depends on how wealthy you are that you'll be thinking of maybe traveling all over the country, or relationship or health or beauty. So most affiliates focus more on what? On wealth niche, and that is the niche I will be guiding you to on how you can you can make it to the niche, because everybody wants wealth, everybody needs money. So second question is, you should ask yourself, who are you selling to? Because as an affiliate, you have to what? You have to identify your customer. Just know this. Not everybody is not your customer. You should know this. Just put that in your head. Everybody is not my customer. And immediately you identify your customer, you will never struggle. That's it. Once you can identify your customer, you will never struggle. So I will be showing you some like five categories of people who are your potential customer, who you should target. At least with the five categories of people I'm about to show you, it will definitely work. It works for everybody, and if you do it the right way, it will definitely work for you as well. So the first category of people I will be showing you is, they are the 9 to 5 workers who need more income and they have no time. Yes. 5 to 9 workers, maybe they go to work as early as 9 and come back at 5 in the evening. You see, they have no time and they need more income. How much are they paying them where they are working? Are they paying them in millions? Are they paying them in hundreds of thousands? No, they are paying them little money for a what? For a maximum effort. So this category of people, they need more what? They need more source of income, and which can save their time as well. So that's the first categories. You can be writing these categories of people down. And the second one is what? Those having a business and need more sales. That's the second category of people. Maybe you know someone who doing business, they have a shop, they're doing online business, and they need more sales. Because in every business, sales is the only thing, the sales is the only thing that can guarantee them money. Yeah. So without sales, their business will keep going down and they will be losing income. So for their income to rise, they need more sales. So that's the second category of people. And the third category of people are the students or coppers that need source of income. How much are they paying our coppers? Let's use Nigeria as a case study. How much are they paying them? Maybe 30,000, 40,000, or even less than that. So how much can 30,000 naira do for them in a month? How much? As you can see, the little change, just data money. How much are they paying? How much can 30,000 naira do for them? And even students, that how much are their parents giving them? How much are they giving them as a student that will what? That will keep them, that will make them survive within a month. How much are they giving them? So students and corpers, they need more source of income, and they are your what? They are among your potential customers. And the fourth categories of people, they are what? They are fresh graduates or unemployed people that need legitimate source of income. As you can see, the world is full of what? On illegitimate source of income. Maybe they are doing Yahoo. Some people are even doing money rituals. So, but for you to what? So you have to help people. You should always know this. Affiliate marketers are what? Are helpers. They help people. They solve people's problem. Some people are having problem in some certain part of their life. Maybe they need how they can generate income. As an affiliate, it's your own responsibilities to recommend them a program or a platform or a product that can solve their problem. So as a fresh graduate without work or unemployed people, that they need legitimate source of income. And the last categories of people are the anyone who needs an extra income source. That's the last categories of people. Anyone who need an extra income source. The person can fall in the other categories, but anyone who just need an extra income or source of income. Those are the what? Those are your what? Those are your customer. Those are the person. Those are the people you will be selling to. How many of these people do you have on your list? How many of these people do you know? It's a question. So, in order for you to get your first 5 sales, can you get 100 of their contacts? I don't mean 100 in each categories. Just you can get maybe like 25 in the first categories, or 10 in the second categories, 20 in the third categories, 40 in the fifth categories, or 10 in the last categories. But how can you get 100 of their contacts? Or can you get 100 of these people? Yes, you can get it. Just believe that it is possible. It is what? It is possible. Once you get 100 of their contacts, there is a probability that you are going to make your first 5 sales in 48 hours. Let me show you this. As you can see, you talk to 100 of them, and 100 of them watch your presentation. There is a probability that 5% of this 100 that watch the presentation with what? Will yield. Or 5% of them will what? Will take the right action. We can't do 10%. We can't even do 50%. Only genius. Even genius can't do that. Talking to some certain people for the first time about an opportunity and they take it, let's just go for the 5%. So for you getting 5 people to what? To take the action you want them to do, to take the course you are talking to them, then it give you 50k in sales in 48 hours, and you'll be getting 25k in commission in less than 48 hours. Can you do this or not? Yes, you can. So after getting this 100 contacts of the above mentioned categories, what are you going to tell them? Not even what are you going to tell them. How will you get these 100 contacts? Where will you get this 100 of contacts? And what do you tell them? And what exactly do you want them to do? All of this question you will find out in the next module, which is what? Where to get 100 people. So thank you very much for watching this module. See you in the next module.